Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change the time on your Lexus GX470. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few moments. First, make sure your vehicle's ignition is either in the ACC or on position. Then, locate the mode button, which is usually positioned conveniently near the digital clock display on your dashboard. This button is key to accessing the time settings. Now, to enter the adjustment mode, simply press and hold down the mode button. You'll want to hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds. You'll notice the display on your instrument panel will change. It might show L2, or the current time will begin to flash. This visual cue confirms that you have successfully accessed the clock setting functions and you are ready for the next step. With the clock in adjustment mode, press the mode button one more time. This action will make the hour digits begin to flash. Use the up or down arrow buttons to set the correct hour. Once the hour is set, press mode again, and the minute digits will flash, allowing you to adjust them with the same arrow buttons. For quick adjustments, pressing reset will round the time to the nearest full hour. Once you have precisely set both the hours and minutes to your desired time, the final step is to confirm your changes. Simply press the mode button one last time. This will save your new settings, and the clock display will stop flashing, indicating that the time is now accurately set and active on your Lexus GX470. You're all done, and your clock is now correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.